Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss about today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 253.31 points, that is 0.34%, and settled at 73,917.03 points. Nifty 50 is up by 62.25 points, that is 0.28%, and settled at 22,466.10 points. Bank Nifty is up by 138.60 points, that is 0.29%, and settled at 48,115.65 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is up by 451.60 points, that is 0.88%, and settled at 51,604.90 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 274.40 points, that is 1.65%, and settled at 16,870.80 points. Moneybox Finance Quarter 4 net profit 41 million rupee versus 4.2 million rupee year-on-year. Quarter 4 revenue 423 million rupee versus 186 million rupee year-on-year. With this positive results, stock surged up in today's session. Varroc Engineering Quarter 4 net profit 569 million rupee versus 400 million rupee year-on-year. With this positive results, stock surged up in today's session. Go Fashion Company entered into a franchise agreement with Apparel Group for Go Colors brand in UAE and Saudi Arabia for 5 years. GlaxoSmithKline Pharma Quarter 4 net profit 2 billion rupee versus 1.3 billion rupee year-on-year. Quarter 4 EBITDA 2.57 billion rupee versus 1.7 billion rupee year-on-year. EBITDA margin 27.67% versus 21.56% year-on-year. With this positive results, stock surged up in today's session. Crompton Greaves Consumer Electricals shares skyrocketed 15% in early trade on 17th May after the FMEG player reported a 56% sequential jump in consolidated net profit. Crompton Greaves reported a 1% on-year uptick in consolidated profit for the quarter ended March at 133 crore rupees. However, profit surged 56% on a sequential basis. Revenue came in at 1,961 crore rupees, higher by 9% year-on-year from 1,791 crore rupees in the same quarter during the year-ago period. Norway's central bank Norges Bank has blacklisted Adani Group firm and 2 other entities from its portfolio citing ethical concerns. Norway's Norges Bank manages the Sovereign Wealth Fund, the world's largest sovereign wealth fund, announced that its executive board has decided to exclude India's Adani Ports from its government pension fund, pointing to the risk that operator contributes to serious violation of individuals' rights in the situation of war or conflict. Adani Ports was under observation since March 2022, and the decision for exclusion is based on a recommendation from the Council on Ethics of 21 November 2023, said Norges Bank. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.